Students, myself Kushali Satpute. Again welcome to Shram Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, in our 5th standard EVS first subject and chapter Our Earth and its Living World. In previous lecture, we learn about various landforms and also surface water. And in surface water, which forms we learn? Correct. Lakes, wells, and etc. Okay students, in this lecture we have to study about atmosphere. What is atmosphere and which things are included in atmosphere. So I explain this topic you see in your textbook. Now students, the atmosphere. You know what is mean of atmosphere? Okay, look here. The envelope of air, that is our earth is surrounded by layer of air all around, and this layer of air is called the atmosphere. Students, as we go higher from the surface of the earth, means as we move higher and higher, traveling out into the air by aeroplanes, or we go on big mountain, then what we have to see? Correct. Air becomes thinner and thinner and thinner. Okay, that is what is mean air becomes rarer. Now the atmosphere or layer of air consists of a mixture of gases. Look here. The air consists of a mixture of gases. Means atmosphere or layer of air consists of many gases there. So, which are these gases? Correct. Nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor and carbon dioxide. Okay students? Do you understand up to here? Okay. And there are other gases. Means only nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor and carbon dioxide. Only these gases are available there? No. There is water vapors also. But some are gases are in small and small quantities. So, now we learn our Earth is surrounded by atmosphere. So the layers of atmosphere are named as, students, there are many layers in atmosphere. Which are they? Listen. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. Look in this diagram. Which layers are that? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. So, observe this diagram. The layer that extends from Earth's surface to a height of 13 km is called the troposphere. Means students, here is troposphere, and how much distance between Earth's surface or atmosphere and troposphere? 13 kilometers is called the troposphere, and this layer of the atmosphere we find condition of that is in the troposphere change continuously, and they affect the living world to a great extent. Students, the earth's surface get heated to the heat is received from the sun. Hence, the air that is very close to the surface of the earth is very hot. Means students, it is hottest. As we go higher means that is away from the surface of earth, away into a troposphere, that is away from surface of the earth. Then what becomes? It becomes cooler and cooler. Now look here. Almost all the water vapors in the atmosphere is contained in the troposphere. That is why all weather related phenomena such as formation of clouds, rain, fog, winds and storms take place in the troposphere. Then the air is high mountains is rarer than the air near the earth's surface. Students, look up to here, troposphere. From almost to troposphere. We already learned that as we go away from the earth's surface or surface of the earth, the air becomes thinner and thinner and thinner. So, air on higher mountains rarer than the air near the surface of the earth. Do you understand? Now, aeroplanes fly in the higher parts of the troposphere. Students, they give very high up. So, air was there is very rare and therefore arrangements have to be made to see that, to ensure that passengers get enough air for breathing. You already learned as we go higher to higher. Then how is air? Air is thinner and thinner. But you know when aeroplane is flying, it go very higher and there is need of what's need? Need of oxygen and therefore arrangement have to be made for the passengers get enough air for breathing. Now you see in diagram. We learned that the layer of atmosphere from Earth's surface right up to 13 km is called what? Troposphere. And is called troposphere, and after that is from this 13 km to a high about 50 km from the surface of the earth, that layer is called what? Stratosphere. Means from the earth's surface to troposphere is distance is 13 km and from this 13 km to up to stratosphere means distance between troposphere and stratosphere is 50 km. Do you understand about troposphere and stratosphere? Okay. Now in the lower part of stratosphere, look here, here is stratosphere and lower part means lower part of the stratosphere is called ozone gas. Look here, ozone layer is given means below part of stratosphere and upper part of troposphere is called ozone gas. Now we know that the rays that come from the sun called ultraviolet rays, and these rays are very harmful for us or living things on the earth. But the ozone layer means this ozone layer, this is very important, and look importance of ozone layer. Ozone layer absorbs all the ultraviolet rays from the sun and protects all the living things on our earth. Because of ozone layer, ultraviolet rays are absorbed and protection of all living things is possible. Okay students, do you understand up to here? Students, on the next lecture, we have to learn about this water cycle and also learn about this diagram of the water cycle. So, today here we stop. We again meet in next lecture with our next subtopic, the water cycle. Okay students, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.